In the ruins where we lay our heads, where the broken dreams are gently fed, you whisper hope through the shattered night. God of restoration, make it right. You mend the cracks, you calm the seas, you bring us back to our knees. Oh God of restoration, hear our plea. God of peace, you set us free. Through the ashes, beauty starts to rise. Your light breaks through the darkest skies, a tapestry of grace you weave so fine. God of peace, your love divine, you mend the cracks, you calm the seas, you bring us back to our knees. Oh God of restoration, hear our plea. God of peace, you set us free. Your hands are steady, your heart is kind. You heal the wounds we tried to hide, restoring hope, rebuilding dreams. God of peace, you're all we need. You mend the cracks, you calm the seas, you bring us back to our knees. Oh God of restoration, hear our plea. God of peace, you set us free. God of peace, you set